It's been 13 months since I started my Etsy store, so let's kind of dive into it and figure out where I'm at. I still only have 42 listings. I know I really haven't been adding listings in a while, but there'll be more. Just you wait. So in terms of organic traffic, we got 911 total visits, 24 total orders, resulting in $121.07 in total revenue, which is about a 2.93% conversion rate. So this is just all organic, right? So this is, not including Etsy ads or anything like that. So if we look at my stats in terms of Etsy ads, I spent $30.62. And again, my goal is to spend about $1 a day, which resulted in 94 total visits, which was literally the same amount as last month, but I got one more order than last month. They were smaller orders, and I had a total revenue of $18.66 from ads on Etsy, which is a 4.26% conversion rate, which is kind of my best conversion rate for the last couple months, last 6 months or so. So keep in mind that the revenue I make from this store is pure profit because there are no real expenses, right? I created the template and then people just download the template and I don't have to put any extra work into it. I don't have to ship anything. It's just given to them. So I can take that $18.66 in revenue and subtract that from the total ad spend of $30, which means I lost about $13 spending money on Etsy ads. But I've said this before and I'll say it again. The reason I'm spending money on ads isn't because I see a big return on it in terms of revenue, but I do see a return on ads in terms of promoting my products, getting a couple of more orders that could leave reviews, which are huge for my store. And the total revenue for my store for the month of March, which is the 13th month, is $121.07. So I do have shrinking revenue when you compare the 2 months before March of 2024. And honestly, if I want to increase the revenue, I just need to get more listings up, optimize the listings better. That's kind of my game plan. I know I haven't been putting a ton of work into this and it's been pretty passive, which has been nice, but I would like to grow it a little bit more, and that's going to require more work on my part. I just need to get into it. All right, and so then if we look at my overall metrics, for the 13 months I have had the store open, that results in 414 total orders and so close to $2,000 in total revenue, resulting in a 3.32% overall conversion rate across my store with 13,516 visits, which in my mind is just crazy that many people have visited my Etsy shop. And in terms of profit, that's $787.42. And really the only expenses I have are spending money on ads, and I have spent a lot of money on ads in the past, and it's never really worked. I think my product offering just isn't as much money as it should be in order to justify spending ads, and that's why I typically don't see a return on Etsy ads. So subtracting that along with listing fees, I have nearly $800 in total profit within 13 months. So nothing crazy, nothing to quit your job over, but it's the number that I love to see. And then that results in a 33.34% ad revenue percentage, which means that 33% or 33.34% of my total revenue comes from Etsy ad spend. So there you have it. My goals are to add more listings, optimize them a little bit more, do a little bit more research on posting SEO to help the listings be more searchable, things like that. But that's my plan. Nothing crazy, no crazy updates. But I appreciate you watching this video so much. Thank you and have such a great rest of your day.